This is the Insta360 One X. It is the newest generation of Insta360's popular one camera series. You can tell there's been some incredible improvements from the previous generation, including a form factor that's slimmer and redesigned, metal casing inside, metal quarter 20, removable batteries, an overall larger lens and sensor that can capture 5.7K at 30 frames, and it can shoot 4K 50, 4K 30, and 3K 100 frames, which no other 360 camera company in the consumer space is doing right now. And the really great part about this camera is what you can do in the traditional sense. So you can take the footage and you can merge it with your DSLR footage, with your other cameras, and it doesn't have to necessarily be in 360. And the idea with this footage is that you're reframing and you're picking the best angles and moments out of each shot, and you're turning that into your own flat 2D story. So you can go from shooting, editing, to sharing all in a couple of minutes, all without ever taking the SD card out of your camera. It's that easy. And if you wanted to, you can pull the micro SD card out, you can put this into a traditional desktop editing software, and you can get similar results. So we're really excited about this camera. It retails for $399 US, and it's available at insta360.com or any global Apple retail store.